Hi everyone, it's Tom from Get CT Owned. First thing I'm going to say is apologies if the audio and video is out of sync. What you're actually watching now is the GoPro Hero 8 Black in the new webcam mode offered by the beta Windows software and the new firmware available for the GoPro. Unfortunately, one of the major issues that still appears to be there is the video input latency that I'm experiencing with Open Broadcaster software, OBS. So even with the FPS set to 60 and deinterlacing enabled, as indicated by several people on the Facebook beta group, as you can see, there's still a bit of latency. Audio is being recorded by a Rode NTG4 that's going into my interface just overhead. But the video is coming straight off a GoPro Hero 8 Black in the new webcam mode, utilising a USB-C to USB-A 3.0 cable going into my Lenovo ThinkPad P51. Quality appears average in webcam mode. I won't say it's amazing, but I think it opens up the GoPro as a viable webcam option without the need to have to buy a HDMI capture card, etc. And with the GoPro Hero 8 Black, you'd need to buy the media mod anyway. So makes it pretty expensive if you can't just plug it in with a USB cable. So anyway, this was a quick demonstration. It's half decent, not amazing. Need to sort out this latency problem. But thanks for watching.